Hi everyone, I so appreciate you stopping in today. Today I have a heavy box from AIA Beauty Bundle. This is the American Influencer Beauty Bundle. I said this is pretty heavy. Let me see, this should have weight on it. 3 pounds. It's pretty heavy, I think, for their box. This box is $38 a month. Ooh, box has seen better days there, split open. $38 a month US. We get free shipping, access to new brands and influencers each and every month. So this is a brand takeover each box, which I like. Value of over $100 each box, and they do donate $1 for each box purchased to their charity, and they do list that on their website. And here is the card. It says Beachwaver. And then there's a list of the products. Now, Beachwaver is that curler, correct? Like that wand, curling wand. I didn't know they had products also. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 5 products. So that's good. I do have my phone, so we could do price. I'm sure it's $100 though. Here's a little sneak peek into what's here. This whoops, falling out. All hair care, which I was excited for because we haven't had hair care, and I'm actually looking to switch shampoo to something different. I'm trying to think. I have like 3 or 4 in my shower, but I've been rotating them through, and I'm like, I want something new. So this, when I saw this was hair care, I was like, all right, I'm ready for it. So the first thing here, and this is all going to be from Beachwaver Co. This is Good Vibes Moisturizing Shampoo with coconut milk. What does that say? I don't know what hydroionic alpha bond multiplier is, but I would have to look that up. I don't know if this probably has a seal on it, but I'm going to unseal it. It does have a seal. I want to see if I can smell. I could get it off. It's like stuck. Okay. Nice beachy, like tropical smell. Oh, I like that. And I like the tubes that you just open. The pumps are easier, but this is not bad for the shower. So I'm happy to have that moisturizing shampoo, and that is $20 value, and it looks like the same size conditioners are $20 value. So this is the same with coconut oil, and the other one has coconut milk, and these are 8 fluid ounces or 236 ml. So we have those two. Good Vibes. What is this? Oh, BRB Blonde Purple Shampoo with shea butter. I can use purple shampoo because I do have natural blonde. Now I have some highlights, but I can use this sparingly, but I can use it. And this is 6 ounces or 177 ml. I cannot use the purple conditioner, but I can use purple shampoo. And it's just a toner. It may stain your blonde and give you like a slight purple hue, but sometimes I don't mind that. And in the summer, that's fun. And it's with shea butter, so that's a nice little thing to have. And that is a shampoo, $28. So that's more than the actual shampoo and conditioner. Huh. That's interesting. Ooh, what are these? Second Chance Dry Shampoo. $26 value, 5.4 ounces or 219 ml right here. Love this. Brazilian Berry is the scent. Like, this is like seen better days. It's all like popped up. I hope that's, you just turn it. Let me just, how do you, that might have just turned it off. Like the top is, there we go. Let me see. I can give it a spray. Oh, that smells nice. I just sprayed it off to the side. It doesn't go on the floor. That smells nice. Oh, I can still smell it. Brazilian Berry. $26. And then the last product is Great Barrier Heat Protectant Hairspray. I don't use too much hairspray. If I use any hairspray, it's on this little piece. And I just usually put like one little spray. I'm not into the crunchy hair or anything like that. And this is Polynesian Pink Sugar is the scent. Right here. And that's 8.3 ounces, 313 ml. And it does give you the, you know, what it smells like on the back. I'll spray this one too. I don't mind. Let's give that a little. Ooh, that smells nice. I like that they lock so that when you turn it and it's in front of that space, it's locked. And then when you turn it to the side, it's unlocked. So you just turn it and lock it. So this way, if you're traveling, things can't open. I like this box. I'm excited. Like, I'm glad we didn't get a purple conditioner because I, for one, cannot use them. I mean, my hair would be purple. But I don't mind the shampoo, and I just use it sparingly. I don't put a lot on them. Oh, my area smells wonderful right now from spraying all that stuff. And then we have $28. So right here we have a value of $122 for $38. I don't think that's bad at all. I'm excited for this one. Like I said, I was starting to look for shampoo and conditioner just for something different. I did try, and I don't know what box, whether it was Walmart or Target boxes or Macy's. I just have no memory of where it came from. The shampoo is called Nexus. And I think it's like NEXUUS or NEXUS. I'm not really sure. I have a shampoo and a conditioner. You know, small bottle. You know, they're like this big. So sample size, deluxe sample. And I have not used that. It was in my shower, like towards the back of my basket. So I was using the ones towards the front. And as I use it, I put it in the back and then rotate through it. Well, it came to the front. Normally I bypass it and I'm like, I used it. Wow. Like, I would buy that in the full size. My hair was so silky, soft, shiny. Like, when I dried it, I didn't have all that, you know, I have very thick curly hair, so my hair can get frizzy. It just was, it laid down smooth. When I flat ironed it, it still was shiny and silky and soft. I was like, maybe a little too soft, but it's a real thick shampoo. And I probably used a little too much because, you know, usually when they're thinner, you know, I put a little bit more on and probably just need like a pea-size amount of that and lather it in and like wet your hair. And because I think I had a little bit more, I'd probably double that. It was probably too much. So next time I use it, I'll back off of that a little bit. But that was wonderful shampoo. If you see it in the stores and you're looking for something just for all those qualities, for silkiness, bouncy, smooth, soft. It was so manageable. It was not flat, because I usually, when you get those qualities in hair products, my hair will be flat against my head and just hang and not do it. It was not. It was bouncy. It was, I mean, my hair does not hold a curl anyway longer than just a couple hours. If I were to curl it, it's too heavy. But nice shampoo and conditioner. So if you have curly hair, that probably would be awesome because it would leave your curls very soft. So happy to have products from Beachwaver. And I would love to know your thoughts on this one. Did you get this one? Did you skip it? Seeing that it was hair products. I probably am not going to skip boxes if I see that they're, you know, depending on what they are. Now, if next month is hair products again, you know, that's a different story because, you know, this is going to take me a little bit of time to get through right here. I would say a couple months, but if in a couple months they, you know, 3 months maybe or something like that gave us another hair care, or 4 months, I wouldn't be upset about it. Just not every 2 months or every, you know, push it more on the 3 to 4 month side, because I think you could get through one of these, you know, if you wash your hair every day, which I do not. I only wash it twice a week. Maybe 3 times a week, depending if I've been outside working. But this does last a long time, and you don't need a lot. Like I said, you need a pea-size amount of product. Like I said, love to know your thoughts down in the comments. Let me know. Do you like switching up your shampoos? Do you do it? Because I find that that's a necessity. That your hair gets too used to a shampoo and a conditioner, and then it stops doing what you want it to do, and then you wonder why your hair's limp and won't do. Change your shampoo. Your hair gets used to it. It's almost like muscle memory. without it being obviously the muscle end. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of you. If you're not a subscriber, why not? Hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you get all my notifications. I do post Monday through Saturday each and every week. New video each and every day. And there's lots of giveaways. So if you're a subscriber, you can enter. And on my Sunday videos are generally my winner announcements. So if you've entered giveaways, make sure you watch on Sunday to find out. In the past, I've had people not claim their giveaway prizes. So you have to watch the Sunday video. I give 5 days for you to contact me. I think that's very generous. Most people give 24, 48 hours. Some I've seen do 3 days. I give you 5 days. It runs on Sunday. You have till Friday at noon to contact me. If you don't, you forfeit. Nothing I can do about it. I'm not coming after you to let you know you want a giveaway. So happy to have these. I think this box is wonderful. Well worth the money. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye now.